सभी विद्वान शिक्षकगण एवं प्यारे बच्चों, सुप्रभात। आँख से दूर सही दिल से कहा जाएगा, जाने वाले तुम हमें बहुत याद आएगा, तुम हमें बहुत याद आएगा। बच्चों, आप सभी जानते हैं हमारे विद्यालय में पिछले 1 महीने से आर्ट इन एजुकेशन का परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स का वर्कशॉप चल रहा था। उस वर्कशॉप में हमारे विद्यालय में 3 रिसोर्स पर्सन आए हुए थे। उन गुरुज को आज हमारे प्राचार्य महोदय उनको सम्मानित करना चाहते हैं, तो मैं इसके लिए उन्हें मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ और प्राचार्य महोदय से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वो उन सभी को सम्मानित करें।
जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, कल हम अपने सबके चहेते प्रिंसिपल सर को विदा कर रहे हैं और उनकी इस आखिरी असेंबली को खास बनाने के लिए हम सबके समक्ष 10वीं कक्षा की जानवी इस मंच पर उनके प्रति अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करने आ रही है।
Someone whose impact on a Vidyalaya has been profound and lasting. As we bid farewell to our beloved principal sir, it's an opportunity to reflect on the incredible journey we have shared with him and the legacy he leaves behind. Sir, your career in education has been very inspiring. From the moment you took on this role, you not only brought your expertise and vision, but also your heart and soul. You have been a guiding light for this Vidyalaya, a beacon of hope, a source of wisdom for students, staff, as well as our parents. Your leadership has always been characterized by a very genuine concern for others. You saw potential where others saw challenges and provided encouragement where it was needed the most. Your doors were always open for us and your listening ear was a comfort to many. I have to say, you didn't just lead, you inspired. You didn't just manage, you nurtured. And most importantly, you didn't just instruct, but you taught us the true meaning of dedication. Under your great leadership, we have seen remarkable growth and progress of this Vidyalaya. The programs you implemented, the initiatives you took, and the relationships you built have all contributed in making this Vidyalaya what it is today. You have taught us that true leadership isn't about making a loud sound, but making a lasting difference. Your legacy is evident in success of your students and the gratitude of your colleagues. As you embark on this new journey of your life, we want you to know that you will be highly missed. Your absence will be felt deeply by each one of us, but your influence will continue to guide us. We hope that your retirement brings you as much joy and fulfillment as you have given us over these years. Thank you, sir, for incredible contributions, your